The declare section of PLSQL program, in which you can see declaration of variables. So this code block starts with declaration section, in which Oracle objects variables are declared and initialized if necessary. So once these variables are declared, it can be used in SQL statements for data manipulation. Then we can see the begin section. In the begin section, you can see SQL and PLSQL statements, which will describe the process to be applied to table data. Any data manipulation code, any retrieval code, any SQL statements, these can be written in this section. And actual data manipulation, retrieval, branching, looping, constructions, if conditions you can see in this section. Next section is exception section. In this section, you can see the error handling methods. So these errors may occur during the execution of data manipulation statements, which make up the PLSQL code block. If any errors occurs, the system errors are not user friendlier, so you can make use of exception handling methods, by which you can give some user friendly messages for the users. So when these errors can occur, they can occur due to syntax errors, logic or validation rule violation. The last section of PLSQL program is the end section. This marks the end of PLSQL block. So here, by which you can say that this is the end of that program, end of the PLSQL block. Let us see the structure of PLSQL block. Declare, in which we are declaring the variables. This section consists of declaration of variables. Then the begin section. Begin section denotes that we begin to write the program, actual code of a program. So here we will be writing executable commands. Exception section contains exception handling methods and the end of the PLSQL block. Here is one small example, sample program explaining how to declare a variable in a declare section. Declare, message is the variable name, data type is var character, size is 20, and we have assigned a string called hello world to the message variable. Then the begin section starts. In this, we are making use of output statement. Output statements of PLSQL programming language. DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line, and inside the bracket we are passing the variable message onto the terminal. End of the program. Okay, let us see how this will work. I have written this program in the notepad and I have to save it. Where have to save? I have already saved it in my computer, C drive, PLSQL. I have program called sample. Okay, so the same program is written here. Now let us see how to run it. So how to run a PLSQL program? You should give add C:/ because it is in C drive, C:/. What is the folder name? PLSQL is the folder name, / sample is the file name, dot, and extension is .SQL. So this way I can run this program. When I press enter, it is going to give you just one message, hello world.